Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue.js. Today we are going to learn about how to integrate the payment gateway, that is Razorpay, in Vue 3. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first demo, pay with Razor. So it will open your pop-up with options. You can go with the net banking or anything. I will go with the UPI. So I will add over here details at the rate YPL. I think it's there. Okay, let's open the console and check everything. So here we go with this one. Let's scroll this, pay now, and here you can see that in the console we will fetch all the details. Here you can see the payment at E0U, right? UPI, this is ID, and here you can see that payment successful, and here you can see the Razorpay ID and all the information. We have signature. Let's go and check the dashboard. Go to the transactions, and here you can see that we have the transaction with this one XEU. Okay, and here we have every information like the customer ID and all. Order ID is this one. So here you can see that the order ID is OVW, and here you can see that. So all the information is captured over here, and we also get this information later on. You can call the API to send this information to the backend. Okay, let's dive into the code level. So this is the view part. So this is main file app.view. We have initiate a button. When you click on the initiate button, it will go with here. Okay, so this is a script URL that you want to append. So load Razor pay script. So methods, we have first method is load Razor pay script. So we have to load the script first. Okay, after the script is load, we will go to the next part, that is calling the API for creating the order. So it will give you the order ID by calling this one. Okay, so after this, in the initiate payment method, so we will call the script first, then we will call the API, and in the API we'll get the order ID. Okay, and rest of the information, if you want to get it from the backend, you can also put that details to be customized from the backend. Okay, after this there is a handler where where we are calling the success or the cancel. So you can make the handler accordingly. If you want to redirect to the success page, or there is an issue in the canceling the payment, you can also redirect to the cancel page. Okay, so here we have the handle payment success method. So after the doing the handle payment success method, we will redirect to the success page. Or if there is something went wrong with the response, you can also do some check on this. If the payment is successful, then here you can see that you can do the API call to save the data into the backend. Okay, for the future perspective. Okay, so here we have the pre-fill information, that is customer name. So here, if you want to make it like the pre-fill details like name, email or contact, so you're not asking for something, so you need to add it over here. Okay, then we have to open the Razorpay window to do the payment part. Okay, if something goes wrong, it will go to the alert box, that is message alert. Okay, so this is that one. If you want to add the styles, you can add it style over here. Okay, so this is the file that we have to use for initiating a payment. Okay, let's dive into the code level of the Node.js. Okay, so here we go with this one. So let's payment.js file. So this is the Node.js file. So we require the express Razorpay course. Okay, for that one, so here we have a key ID and the key secret. So how to get this key ID and the key secret? Go to the Razorpay dashboard, go to the account settings, go to the API keys, and key ID is there. If you want, if you haven't created that one, so create new one, and you will get the key ID and the key secret over there, right? So the next one, this is done. Now we have to create a post request, that is create order, which requires the amount that should be in Pesa for the INR. If you have the another currency, then you can use another one. Okay, so when we do the Razorpay dot orders create options, it will give you the order ID, and whatever information you want to send it over here, you can send and fetch it into the app view. Here you can see that we have create order API to call, and here we can make it all the information dynamic from the backend. Okay, and then return the response. If it is something goes wrong, it will go to the status 500. If you want to handle the success and the cancel and do the payment saving to the database, you can also call the API and do the stuff over here also. Okay, So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.